Gedaan van in nieuwe woning.
We're sitting near the elephant. It's nice. You can pet it if you want.
I wouldn't do that.
No? Oh.
It's unstable. Het gaat ook net iets te lang door.
Ja.
I'm scared.
Yeah, I can see why. And the funny thing is that it happens without any warning, or it just happens. Crazy old elephant.
Little Italy burger.
Little Italy burger. It is good with fries, little salad. I got a ravioli thingy. Apple crumble. Ooh. Here. Yeah. Nee. Impressive. Oh my god. Ah, so cute. Oh, happy end. Ciao, adios. Later, dudes. Scared of the dragon. This way, down, up, watch out. I'm confused. I'm confused. Which way shall we go? Go back. Not that way. This way, maybe. Ooh. This looks like something. I see a door. Let's go to the door. Oh, that wasn't.
Garde! Arrêtez-les!
Oh my god, she's so scared. I am so scared. Can't deal with this. Can't deal with this anymore. Found it! High five.
Très chers amis, c'est aujourd'hui sous le ciel de Disneyland Paris que nous célébrons dans la gaieté le 14 juillet. Ce soir, les feux se déchaînent dans la joie parisienne. Under the Disneyland Paris sky, we celebrate the 14th of July. Joyful melodies fill the air, a French celebration for all to share. Tonight, the lights will shine bright in red, white and blue.
Okay, we just saw Disney Dreams and a fireworks show for the 14th of July. It was very nice. And now we will see if we will have a drink or go to the hotel, because we were supposed to be meeting a few people, but I can't reach them anymore. So we will see. And otherwise maybe we'll get a drink, but yeah, the fireworks were very nice, but my feet hurt like hell because my shoes are broken, or how to say, my shoes are broken. We are going back to our hotel now because we just found out about the attacks in Nice. That's why the people didn't came, because they want to be safe, of course. So we are going home now to our hotel and sleep for a little bit because I'm so tired. But I am looking forward to tomorrow and to another day of Disney. Tomorrow will be our last day. I think we will leave at about 6 or 7. I think this was one of the best days in Disney that I ever had, just because I did so much stuff. I met a lot of characters, we did a lot of rides, we saw a few shows, and it was really good. And tomorrow I will finally go and see Mickey and the Magician. I heard so many great stories about it, so I cannot wait to see that show. You can barely see me now, sorry.